Hi, I'm Gareth Spence and welcome to another episode of Tech Talk. Today I'm at ECOC, one of the most important shows for the optical networking industry. At this event, the OIF is showcasing a multi-vendor demo focused on 400ZR+. To help me understand why this matters to the industry, I'm joined by Adtrans Steve Penticost. Steve, let's take it from the top. What is this demo behind us all about?
What we're trying to show here is interoperability between multiple vendors to show basically we've got performance of a disaggregated solution. So we're looking at line systems, so optical systems, and then endpoints. And we've tried to get as many vendors together as possible, working in this space to showcase the interoperability and the possibilities of having disaggregated solutions in the market.
Why does that matter?
So as we moved away from closed systems, classic systems that had transponders and muxponders and an optical layer, to disaggregated to separation of the line system and the endpoints, it's key to make sure that all the different piece parts play with each other. We've got to a point now where the line system is separated and the endpoints are separated, but we really need to make sure that the different endpoints can talk to each other, can operate with each other, and can work happily with each other.
And what is Adtran's role in the demo?
So what we do, and we've been a leader for, well, since the start of disaggregation, is we build the line system. So we don't really play in the pluggable space for the 400ZR and the ZR+. We're the leaders in the open line system, so the erbium doped fiber, the multiplexers and demultiplexers. And what we're showing here is a longer haul solution. It's about 400 kilometers with inline amplifiers.
And why does interoperability really matter to customers that might be watching this?
Well, I think as we've gone through the pandemic and as we've seen supply chain shortages, it's really important to have second sources. It's really important to have best in class. And I think when we show showcases like this and we show interoperability and we show that multiple vendors can work, I think it gives our customer base comfort to know that they've got security, that they can drive the networks, that they can get performance from the networks with different vendors.
Are other vendors able to compete with the level of interoperability that Adtran is showcasing here?
Well, I think what we've done, having led this for multiple years and having a lot of experience building out very large disaggregated networks, is we brought a little bit of a different angle to the table. We've worked very closely with a lot of the plug vendors, with the switch and router vendors, and because we're in a unique position compared to some of the competition in the line system, the switch and router guys and the plug guys are very happy to work with us.
You've mentioned disaggregation during our questions here, but I've heard you on the show floor talking about reaggregation. What's that all about?
So I think disaggregation clearly is pulling pieces apart, which is absolutely fine for the large guys that are capable of managing solutions, doing their own verification, doing their own planning and designing. What we see is the smaller customers, maybe the tier 2, tier 3s, maybe some of the RSPs in North America, really want to be able to have a total solution. In order to get a total solution, we need to work very closely. In other words, work to make sure that we can pull everything together, get the plugs working, get the switch and router working, to give one continuous solution to the end customers.
Steve, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you.